Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Cardano, ADA, from one wallet to another. Today, I'm walking you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to transfer ADA from Trust Wallet to Coinbase Wallet. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so let's do this carefully to keep your assets safe. First things first, before we jump in, make sure you have a few basics covered. You'll need the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone with some ADA in it, a Coinbase wallet set up and linked to your account, and a reliable internet connection. Oh, and don't forget to enable two-factor authentication on both wallets for extra security. It's 2025, after all, and hacks are no joke. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the ADA token in your portfolio. Tap on it to access your wallet address and balance. Now, switch over to your Coinbase wallet. Go to the Receive section and select ADA. This will generate a unique wallet address. Copy that address carefully, as it's super important you don't make any typos here. Step 2. Back in Trust Wallet, hit the Send button for your ADA. Paste the Coinbase wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of ADA you want to transfer, but double-check the network. Make sure it's set to the Cardano network to avoid any errors. You'll see a transaction fee preview. These can vary, so keep an eye on that to minimize costs. Step 3. Review everything one last time. Hit Confirm to broadcast the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and approve it with your wallet's security features. Now, sit tight. Blockchain transactions can take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. If you run into issues, like a pending transaction, check the Cardano Blockchain Explorer for updates. Always use official apps and avoid public Wi-Fi for these transfers to stay secure. And there you have it. That's how you transfer ADA in 2025. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there in the crypto world.